people, sometimes they fear reaching out to me. They fear even looking at their credit. I ask individuals, well, when is the last time you checked your credit reports? How often are you checking your credit reports? And oftentimes they'll say, well, it's been 6 months or a year, or I have not looked at it. And my question is, well, why haven't you? Well, because it stresses me out. I'm not sure, if that's something that, I can conquer, or I feel I'm just too old, or I feel, and the list goes on and on and on. Like I said before, do not let fear stop you. You have to start somewhere, and credit is the source, is the bottom line, the first step of being able to have anything in society today. A lot of us don't have a lot of cash just laying around in the black and brown community like that. And if you don't, you have to leverage your credit. And so don't be afraid of credit. Credit can be your best friend if you treat it right. Absolutely. Credit can be sexy, it can be healthy, it can be beautiful. It can make your life beautiful. So start somewhere and make sure that you're connecting with the right people that can guide you to get to that next level.